Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate wire transfers with Charles Schwab. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate wire transfers with Charles Schwab, start by visiting the Charles Schwab website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab in the main menu. Select Transfers from the drop-down options. Look for the Wire Transfers section within the Transfers page. Click on the Enroll or Activate Wire Transfers button. You may be prompted to review and accept the Wire Transfer Service Agreement. Read the terms carefully and click Accept to proceed. Next, provide any required information for setting up wire transfers, including your bank account details. Make sure to enter the correct routing and account numbers to avoid any issues. You might also need to verify your identity through a security code sent to your registered phone or email. After completing the required fields, review your information one last time. Once everything is verified, click on the Submit button to finalize your activation request. You may receive a confirmation email once your wire transfer capabilities are activated. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact. After activation, you can initiate wire transfers from the same transfers section of your account. Keep in mind that wire transfer fees may apply, so check the fee schedule on the website. Familiarize yourself with the wire transfer cutoff times to ensure timely transactions. With your wire transfer feature activated, you are now ready to send funds securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.